Hello from Aulani. We decided to come to Aulani today from Waikiki. We took the bus because we were gonna Uber it in the morning, and from our hotel it would have been $80 to Uber here. So we did take about 15-20 minutes more coming here by bus. It was $6 for both of us to come here. And then we got off on the stop up on the street right by Aulani and then lifted in, and our lift was $8. So we're here, we're gonna enjoy the lagoon and do some pin trading and eat and drink and just enjoy Disney. In case you didn't know, you don't have to be a guest to enjoy the resort. You just have to be a guest to be able to use the pool, but you can swim in the lagoon, eat at the restaurants, and explore the hotel, use the spa, do all the other resort amenities without being a guest here at the hotel. You'll find random entertainment throughout the day scattered around the property, as well as meet and greets with your favorite characters. One of the primary reasons we wanted to come to Aulani was to snorkel in the lagoon. We don't know how the snorkel is on sunny days, but it was a little bit overcast today and the lagoon was very murky and there were no fish. We maybe saw 1 or 2 fishes while we were here. So we were kind of disappointed by the lagoon. It was nothing like we thought it would be. You can rent paddle boards to use in the lagoon. For guests staying at Aulani, it's $45 an hour, and for non-guests, it's $85 an hour, so we didn't do that. You can also rent snorkel sets for non-Aulani guests, and the beach chairs are first come, first serve. There are pin trading boards scattered around the hotel, and you'll find some that just pop up throughout the day. They also have pin trading events that you can find the times for in the Aulani app. The little prissy doghouse. Okay.
No. Okay, awesome.
Yeah. Now we're gonna head over to Rainbow Reef, which is something really cool and really unique that Aulani has to offer. It is a man-made reef with fish that you can pay to snorkel in. It is $25 for a day pass, or if you rent a snorkel set for $25, that includes access to Rainbow Reef. There are also feeding times that you can view. The times for that are located in the Aulani app. For lunch, we decided to eat at Off the Hook, which will offer you views of the pool but not of the ocean.
Alright guys, so we're here at Off the Rocks. We're gonna grab a bite to eat and maybe get a couple of cocktails. Hopefully this stuff is good, and we'll let you know our opinion when we get done with the food.
Yeah, it was about a 25-minute wait in the rain. The bar is open seating, but it was full, so we weren't waiting for that long, but I think everyone decided to come in and grab food because it was raining.
So this is the Maui style onion rings. They look pretty delicious. So Emily got...
I got the coconut mint mojito with an extra shot of rum for $1.50.
This is the Tropical Edge, and then I also got an extra shot of rum for $1.50.
So this is the garlic shrimp flatbread. It looks super good.
It does look good. You got a lot of shrimp there.
Yeah.
And then I got the Philly cheesesteak with French fries, and then it does come with the au jus sauce over here as well. So we're pretty good with we're pretty happy with all the food and stuff that we have.
My drink is amazing. I love it.
Yeah, Emily really likes her drink. We're probably gonna get more drinks, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so we got another round, and Emily got the pina colada, and it looks like a normal pina colada.
It's so much better than a regular pina colada.
And then...
How come yours is like not full to the top?
I don't know. I don't remember what this is called. It's called like Ling Ring Margarita or something. But it looks like someone drank like a whole big ass portion of it.
I know, it didn't come filled. So the rim is like a very sweet, I don't know how to describe it, but it's just sweet. The food is good, yeah. big and filling. We haven't even finished our food yet. The prices are like Disneyland prices, so we're not shocked by that. The drinks, however, are cheaper than Disneyland prices. These drinks are $15. I think the last time we went to Disneyland and got drinks, they're $18, $19, $20. It's been a good day here at Aulani. It's been interesting. It's not what I expected. I think I was expecting like bigger and more things to do. Yeah, I think you could definitely get away with spending just like a solid 24 hours here on Aulani and get everything done.
So after everything, our bill is $133.76. We're probably gonna be going home now after this, so please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.